The MER measurement is an average value of the modulation error rate in the RF channel, which is normally good enough to quantify the quality of the signal. However, it could happen that the average MER is good while the MER of some of the carriers within a DVB-T, T2 or C2 signal is quite bad. This MER by carrier function analyzes continuously the MER value for each one of the carriers forming the selected channel and displays them graphically on screen. This tool is especially useful for the analysis of systems in which signals of different type and origin interfere with each other, as may occur during the transition from analog to digital TV. In the horizontal axis, we can see the number of carriers, while in the vertical axis, the MER value is shown. On the bottom area of the panel, we can see the average MER value among all the carriers, and the standard deviation for the MER. Wherever there is an interference signal, a drop in the MER of the affected carriers will occur. If you press on any of the carriers, you will see the MER measurement for that carrier in the MER field at the bottom area, along with the carrier number.